Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to import data into Notion, the ultimate 2025 guide. First off, let's open up Notion on your browser or desktop app. Now that we've done that, navigate to the page where you want your imported data to live. The reason we do this is to ensure our data is organized in the correct place right from the start. Next, click on the icon at the top right and select Import. This helps us because it allows Notion to pull data from other files or even other apps like Google Docs, Trello, or Asana. Now let's choose the file or app you want to import data from. To do this, click on the corresponding icon. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is preparing to translate the data from your chosen source into its system. The next step is to upload your file or link your app. If it's a file, click Upload and select your file. If it's an app, sign in and authorize Notion to access your content. This step is crucial because it's where the data transfer actually begins. Once you've uploaded or linked your source, click Import. Let me explain why this matters. By clicking Import, you're commanding Notion to start converting and integrating the data into your chosen page. And voila, your data is now in Notion. There might be a brief processing time, depending on the size of your file or the amount of data from the app. Now, you can start leveraging Notion's powerful features to organize, analyze, and share your data. The beauty of importing data into Notion is that it saves time and effort, allowing you to focus on what really matters, using the data to make informed decisions. And that's it. You've now learned how to import data into Notion. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Notion. Thanks for joining us today.